Good afternoon and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about the VERSATI 3, our latest generation. This presentation divided into these three parts. Product introduction. First of all, what is VERSATI? It has these three features. First is air-to-water heat pump. That means we can heating up or cooling down the water by the heat pump. The next is all DC inverter, means not only the compressor but also the fans. It is DC inverter. The last, it is multifunctional. That means not only the space cooling and heating by the water, we can also produce the domestic hot water. And inside this picture, you can find that this is the VERSATI outdoor unit, and this one is the water tank. This is the indoor unit, also called hydro box. Then we can produce the domestic hot water. You can use this one to take a shower or wash your hands. And also we can offer you the cooling or the heating water for the FCU, radiator, and also the flow coils. And our latest one, we apply the R32 refrigerant. And here is the comparison between R32 and R14A. You can find that it is more eco-friendly and also less harm to the environment. And the next is we adopt the EVI compressor technology, which can higher the heating performance, especially in low temperature heating. And this is the certificate information. This is the VERSATI evolution. The first generation is from 2011, and our latest one is from 2019, G series monoblock. And after that, we developed the H series split tie and all-in-one. Also, you can find that the second generation, it is ELI. That means enhanced liquid injection, another kind of the higher heating capacity. And from the third generation, we changed to EVI, and also it is a Green rotary compressor. The refrigerant, we adopt the R32. For the VERSATI, basically, we have three types of the series, which is the split tie. What we split is the outdoor unit and the hydro box. We split them. And also, next is the all-in-one. What we call all-in-one is we combine the water tank with the hydro box together. So with this one, we can offer the domestic hot water. You can take a shower or offer to the floor heating or the FCU. As for the monoblock, it is most easy for the installer because it just need to install the water cycle. It's okay. And the advantage of this one is this part is exposed to outdoor and bin, which means this may lead to frozen. And also just pay attention to here. And all these three, we can do cooling or cooling plus domestic hot water, heating plus domestic hot water. This is the product lineup for monoblock NHG series. Basically, there are two cases. It is this one, and this is the model, and this number inside means the heating capacity, and this NH means the refrigerant. The last alphabet means the power supply. This is the product lineup for NHH series. It is split tie, Actually, the split tie and the all-in-one, they just share the same outdoor unit. What is different is just the inside. For split tie, it is only the hydro box. For all-in-one, we combine the hydro box with the water tank. And later, I will make a detailed introduction. And also here is the models. If there is a G, that means it is all-in-one. Without G, it is split tie. Here is the dimension and also the appearance of the split tie. From here, you can find the dimensions. And just open the cardboard, you can find that we have lots of the components inside, including the compressor, the liquid gas separator, this fan motor, and there's a four-way valve to change to cooling and heating, and this is the control box. And here there are two EXV inside for the cycles, and also there is a small preheat exchanger for the EVI. This is the hydro box appearance and inside structure. From here you can get the dimension, and just open the panels, you can find that inside we have the control panel, water pump, expansion tank, control box, also include the inside PCB, and from here there is the e-heater, and also this is also called optional e-heater, and this is the air vent to release the trapped air inside. And just follow this one, we have the pressure gauge to check the water pressure, and this is the safety valve to ensure the inside water pressure not higher than the preset value, and a three-way valve to control whether to conduct the hot water to the DHW or the flow coils. And here is the flow switch. As for the all-in-one indoor unit, here is the size, and also inside there is a water tank just for the DHW. And this part is actually the hydro box. Also, you can find that we have the control panel. This is the preheat exchanger to exchange the heat to the water. And this is the water pump, and also a built-in e-heater, which is this one. Also with a wear band. And this is the expansion tank. Also, this is the three-way valve to conduct the water either to DHW or the flow coils or FCU. And also with a safe valve, a control box, including the PCB. And also we have a water pressure gauge to check the water pressure. As for the monoblock, here is the appearance and the size. Just open the panels. We have the fan, control box, and the PCB, and also the expansion valve, also called expansion tank, and a built-in water pump, flow switch, safe valve, and preheat exchanger. And this is the economizer, also called the preheat exchanger, and this is the compressor.